Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. You need to start by opening Play Store and installing your new defaults. I will go with Messages app. For example, this one. You need to wait for your app to download, and when it's ready, click on Home button. Then access Settings. From here, you need to scroll down and choose Apps section. Then tap on Manage Apps and click on those three dots at the top right corner. Now finally, you can click on Default Apps and tap on one of those sections. For example, I want to change my messaging app, so I have to click on this section here, set up my new app by tapping on it, and simply go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!